After 6 inches of rain from Monday's July 11th thunderstorm, Smith Creek in the city of Hayward began flooding Wednesday morning, July 13th. The creek flooded in September 2014 after another large thunderstorm. One city employee who works for the street department said the city was much better prepared for this event. One of the preparations was the creation of sandbags the day before. The sandbags were placed around several of the vulnerable structures near Smith Creek.